Thank you for being here. I want to share a little bit more of why I'm actually living here in the middle of the jungle. Not quite the middle. What is it that is so beautiful to live in nature? It's not for everyone. Some people love the city. But when you come here, you are in a way forced to relate to nature. You learn how to dance with the spiders and the mosquitoes and the lizards and everybody else who lives here. And that in a way is a blessing because it takes you down and out of the general life, and it gives you an opportunity to connect with him. And so this is how I love so much to lead our retreats here together with Anna Cecilia. The rooms for the people are up there. Usually it's just one or two actually, and it's just so magical. It's so inspirational. So we do our mystic creative bridges, we open our treasure chests, and we have of course a topic, and we're looking at results that take one beyond what they can imagine. And to just give you a little taste, I'll play some flute for you. Because one of the things that is extraordinarily inspiring here is to create. And for me, that's a lot. The flute and the sound. And you can see what happens once I start playing. My friends, the birds, are joining in. So, if that is something exciting for you, if you are ready to crack that unique magic in you, come here, join us, and let us have some fun to really relax and recharge and release, enjoy ceremonies, and a lot of sound medicine and classes that allow you to connect to you and to relate in different ways. Without plants, plant medicine, plant-based food, yes, but not plant medicine. So excited to see you soon. Much love.